For a reliable plumber in Tolleson, Arizona, trust Phoenix Water Softeners, Way Cool. Our experienced team offers comprehensive plumbing services, from fixing leaks and unclogging drains to installing new fixtures and water softening systems. Specializing in addressing hard water issues, we provide top-notch solutions that improve your water quality and extend the life of your plumbing. Dedicated to customer satisfaction, we ensure prompt, professional service and high-quality workmanship. When you need a dependable plumber in Tolleson, Arizona, look no further than Phoenix Water Softeners, Way Cool. Contact us today at Phoenix Water Softeners, Way Cool to learn more about our services. Services. Are you looking for plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Phoenix Water Softeners, Way Cool. How do I find a reliable plumber in Tolleson, Arizona? To find a reliable plumber in Tolleson, Arizona, look for companies with good reviews, proper licensing, and experience. Phoenix Water Softeners, Way Cool offers professional plumbing services with a reputation for quality and reliability. What plumbing services does Phoenix Water Softeners, Way Cool offer in Tolleson, Arizona? Phoenix Water Softeners, Way Cool offers a wide range of plumbing services, including leak repairs, drain cleaning, water heater installation, pipe replacement, and water softener installation in Tolleson, Arizona. What is your plumber service office for Tolleson, Arizona? Our local plumber service office have served clients in the surrounding areas of Tolleson, Tempe, Chandler, Queen Creek, Scottsdale, Phoenix, Peoria, New River, Cave Creek, Mesa, Glendale, Goodyear, Litchfield Park, Fountain Hills, Gilbert, Buckeye, Wittmann, Arizona. Where is your Phoenix Water Softeners, Way Cool office located? We are located at 120 North 83rd Avenue Suite 101B34, Tolleson, Arizona 85353, United States. Our phone number is 850-570-6092. Visit our website, https://bestphoenixplumberrepair.com/Tolleson-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/